Hi, welcome to the ICIP business course, the second of 3 in the Iot-Inc Certified IoT Professional training program, with the last being the ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation course. At the core of business is value creation, and it's no different for IoT. This course focuses on how to create value with IoT and then how to monetize it. It demonstrates that true innovation in IoT is not the tech, but it's how we use and monetize it in business. My name is Bruce Sinclair, and I'll be your instructor. I've been managing the Internet of Things in one way or another since 2008, when I was the CEO of a networking company that sold a smart home platform to ISPs. For the last few years, I've been advising brands, manufacturers, and enterprises who are buying IoT, as well as vendors and service providers who are selling IoT, on how to develop their IoT strategies and product roadmaps. I also manage the media site www.iot-inc.com that's bursting with free IoT podcasts, videos, and articles. And my book, Iot-Inc, How Your Company Can Use the Internet of Things to Win in the Outcome Economy, was published by McGraw-Hill.
This course, in fact, this entire program, is applicable to both B2C IoT and B2B IoT. I find it useful to break down B2C IoT into, consumer IoT, wearables, consumer goods, smart homes, driverless cars, and then B2B IoT into commercial IoT, industrial IoT, and infrastructure IoT. For me, the main difference between industrial IoT and commercial IoT is in industrial IoT, we're creating things. We're manufacturing them, we're pulling them out of the ground, or we're growing them. Infrastructure IoT is broader. This includes smart cities, smart grids, and utilities. In IoT, these products are often classified as smart products, connected products, and IoT products. As you will see, I use it to make a point, but I differentiate between smart products, connected products, and IoT products. Smart products we've had for over half a century. I personally don't find much value in connected products, and we discuss this at length when comparing them to IoT products. IoT products, they bring the full power of the internet to bear on creating value. And that is one of the 2 main parts of this course. How do we create value, and then how do we monetize it? We monetize that value by implementing the right business model. Choosing the business model that monetizes the value in a way that minimizes transactional friction. As an outline, we are going to quickly cover the technology. We're then going to look at the 4 ways of creating value with the Internet of Things. Then we get into business models, specifically the 5 ways of monetizing value within IoT. And as we'll see, they're on a spectrum. Then we get into risk management and assessment, the business counterpart to security. And finally, we talk about the changing customer relationship and the implications it has on business strategy.
Note that once you have watched all the lessons and passed all the quizzes in this course, you'll be automatically enrolled in the next course in the program, the ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation course. To earn your certification, you must watch all the lessons and pass all the quizzes in the 3 courses of the ICIP program. One registers you for the next, and they are taken in the order ICIP Technology, ICIP Business, and then ICIP Strategy and Digital Transformation. Your display may look different. In my case, for my student dashboard, I have all 3 courses of the ICIP program displayed. Depending on where you are, you'll have either 1, 2, or 3 of the courses displayed. If you want to jump around to get an overview of the content, do so in the identical but standalone courses that you also have access to. But remember, do your learning in the ICIP program courses in order to earn your certification. If you're ready, Let's put on our gumboots and wade into the bits to finish your second course.